Hello and thank you for stopping by. I'm finishing up today by doing an unwrapping of this Harbor Freight. It's a Haul Master chain hoist. It's a 1-ton hoist. I've been holding off on purchasing one of these for a while. The reviews are hit and miss on the Harbor Freight website, and what I plan on doing with it is to use it when I have to lift these tractors to either change belts, sharpen blades, or work on the transmissions. Generally what I would do, I would roll the tractor over to that tree limb over there, hoist it up with the come along. I have a video of that up in the corner. But what I plan on doing now is to use this hoist and the frame that I picked up. Now this frame isn't intended for this use. I might have to weld some supports along the top. I'm not sure yet. These chains will keep it from opening up. We'll see how it works. It's going to be the first time I'm using it. The main reason I'm going with this hoist, when you use the come along, it's a little clumsy. Works fine, but you got to let it down a little at a time. This looks like it might be a lot quicker. So, without further ado, let's open this up and see what we have. Now in the reviews, a lot of the complaints seem to be that it's very oily. Well, it's being shipped from overseas, and better the oil than the rust. Let's see what we have. See what they mean about the oil. The box is full of oil on the inside. Okay. I already have a rope tied around the bottom to the axle of the tractor, and what I'm going to do is tie one up on top over there so I can put that hook up. Once I have that set up and I have this hoist hooked up to it and hooked up to the tractor, we'll see how she works. Well, I do suggest wearing gloves when you use this. I have it hooked up there with a rope, hooked it up down here with a rope. Let's see how it goes. Now they do make a larger one. They do make one with a longer chain and a 2-ton, but these units are usually 500 pounds or less. I don't know if I'm doing this right. We have this over here. Okay, we're going to skip ahead a little bit. I don't want to put this camera down. Let's see what we have here. This would have been a lot helpful earlier. It lifts this mower with hardly any effort at all. It goes right up. Let's see how it goes down now. Let's see. That's the not time to break out the instructions here. Now to lower it, just pull the chain on the other side. This is a definite plus. we're keeping this. I was thinking maybe I had to bring it back, but you saw how easy this tractor went up and how easy it went down. If you don't have a device like this, if you have a ceiling that's high enough in your garage, hook up into the beam or a tree like I used over there, whatever may work for you, just be safe. This I'm going to shore up a little bit. It looks like it's holding without any problem, and these chains didn't get any tightness on them. I was thinking it might spread open, but they stayed loose. That wasn't a problem. My concern is up there, if that support is strong enough to keep this tractor up while I'm under it. And I do have car jacks that I can always put under there just to be safe. So that's it. Real quick video on this 1-ton chain hoist. Unless I have a problem with it jamming up like some of the reviews say it does, that it jams up in there, I'm not quite sure the function of this. I never had one of these before. I've seen them in shops, larger ones, and I just never used one before. But it looks like it's going to make my work a lot easier, working on these tractors, getting them up instead of jacking them up and using that come along. Come along's a great tool. Getting raising it up is no problem at all. It goes up quickly, but on the way down it's like one click at a time, and it just takes some time. So I was looking for something to speed things along. This looks like it's going to fit the bill. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with someone else who might be able to use it. It does help. It's a tremendous help to the channel when you comment, give a like, and of course subscribing. Hit that Joe Z button and hit that notification bell not to miss my new videos as I upload them. Until next time, stay safe.